Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to bring in your own PDFs and inserts into your digital planner in GoodNotes. So let's say you downloaded a free printable online and you wanted to put it into your planner, but you want to keep the tabs so that it still looks like it's in your planner. So to do that, you'll just go to your printable. You need to import it into GoodNotes. So I already did that. This is just a general packing list that's in my wonderful plans bundle. And what I'm gonna do is just go to the lasso tool and I'm just gonna draw around the entire printable and then take screenshot, and then you'll see the printable as a image. Then you can just hit the share button and hit copy, and then you can just come here to where you want to paste that image, and then you could just hit paste and then resize it just like that. And that had two sections. Oops. So I'm just gonna go back, go to the other section. Right, so you can do that. Take screenshot. You could also save the image. So I'm just going to show you guys another way. So you could just save the image and it'll save to your camera roll. So if you have a printable and you already have it in a PNG format or a JPEG format, and it's already in your camera roll, then you can do it this way as well. So instead of copying and pasting the screenshot that you just took, you can just go to your pictures and then insert it through there. So now I just need to resize it. And then you have your inserts in there. All right, so if you don't want the title in there, you can do this. You can go to that page. So draw a picture around it, take the screenshot, save image. And then we're just gonna insert that new image. And then before you place it, simply click it and hit crop. And then we're just gonna crop out that title, just like that. So yeah, I guess you can't do it when you already resized it and placed it. So you see I don't get that crop option anymore. But if I just repaste it, then resized it, and then click it, that crop button comes up. Then we're just gonna crop out the title so that it looks like it was already a part of this list. So there you have it, your own custom inserts in your planner. So let's say you didn't have a title and you just want to cover up your whole page. You can simply resize it to cover up your whole page, but you can just add a blank page if you want. If you don't want to cover up any real pages, you can just go to the custom sections, go to the extra inserts, and then just go to a blank page. Then we're just going to copy that page and then paste it wherever you want. So let's paste it in our notes section. So now it's pasted, we have a blank page, and now you can add in any insert you want the same way without the need of having to cover up any lines or other inserts. So that's a couple ways you can add in custom inserts into your digital planner. All right, so I hope that video was useful. Thanks so much for watching.